Another day, another English lesson, order of modifiers, evaluation, origin, and purpose. When using multiple modifiers, usually adjectives, before a noun, English follows a specific order. This order helps sentences sound natural and makes descriptions easier to understand. 3 types of adjectives that often appear together before a noun are evaluation, origin, and purpose. 1. Evaluation adjectives. What do we think about it? These adjectives express opinions, judgments, or assessments about the noun. They describe how good, bad, useful, or impressive something is. Examples include useful, beautiful, excellent, expensive, strange, and boring. 2. Origin adjectives. Where is it from? These adjectives indicate the geographical, national, or cultural background of the noun. They tell us where something comes from. Examples include Italian, Japanese, Mexican, ancient, medieval. 3. Purpose adjectives, or modifiers. What is it for? These adjectives describe the intended function or use of the noun. They often come from verbs or nouns and answer, what is it used for? They usually appear right before the noun. Examples: running, shoes, swimming, pool, cooking, pot, and writing, desk. Putting them together. When all 3 types of adjectives appear before a noun, the order is evaluation, origin, purpose, noun. Examples: an excellent Italian cooking book, evaluation, origin, purpose, noun. A strange medieval hunting tool, evaluation, origin, purpose, noun. A useful Japanese writing app, evaluation, origin, purpose, noun. This structure helps descriptions sound clear and natural. While native speakers usually follow this order instinctively, understanding the pattern makes it easier to use adjectives correctly in longer descriptions. Now, watch and put the adjectives in blue in the correct order. One. She bought a beautiful French dining table for her new apartment. 2. He read an interesting Japanese history book over the weekend. 3. They stayed at a luxurious Italian beach resort last summer. 4. He found a useful German massage gadget at the store. 5. He wore a durable American hiking backpack for the trip. 6. He ordered an expensive Swiss diving watch online. 7. The person displayed a fascinating Chinese writing technique. 8. They developed a practical Canadian harvesting robot for small-scale agriculture. 9. His wife gave him an authentic Indian yoga video for his birthday. 10. He used a reliable British navigation system during his road trip. 11. The chef recommended a delicious Mexican dipping sauce for the chips. 12. The company introduced an innovative Swedish safety helmet for cyclists. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning activity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications.